Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Firstrade, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Firstrade website. Once the home page loads, look for the Open an Account button, usually found at the top right corner. Click on the Open an Account button to start the registration process. You'll now see a new page with various account options. Choose the type of account you wish to open, such as individual, joint, or retirement account. After selecting your account type, click the Continue button. Next, fill out the required personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Make sure to enter accurate information to avoid any issues later. Once you've filled out the personal details, create a secure password for your account. Follow the guidelines for password creation, ensuring it meets the required criteria. Now, you'll need to provide your address, date of birth, and social security number for verification purposes. After entering this information, review your details carefully for any errors. Once everything is correct, click Continue to move to the next step. You may be asked to answer a few security questions for account protection. Select your preferred questions and provide your answers carefully. After completing the security questions, proceed by clicking Continue. Next, you'll be prompted to review the terms and conditions. Read through the agreements carefully, and if you agree, check the consent box. Once done, click the Submit button to finalize your registration. You should now see a confirmation screen indicating your application has been submitted. Check your email inbox for a confirmation message from Firstrade. Follow any further instructions in the email to verify your account and complete the setup. Congratulations, you are now registered with Firstrade and can start exploring your investment options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.